Alright, dispatch to Carter's here at your outlets. So what happened?
Okay, so we had two ladies come in. One lady had a bun and then bangs, and she was in jeans and then like a crop top and like a tan hoodie. And she had a purse with her, a big empty purse. The other lady was wearing black biker shorts. She came to the register with a Carter's bag filled, and she was like, yeah, I just need to do an exchange for my twin boys. I was like, yeah, of course, like leave your bag there, shop around. I called you guys as she was running the corner, and her breasts were suddenly huge because she stuffed all the product down her shirt and into her purse. And then she comes around the corner, and I see the lady with the braids back behind this rounder all of a sudden whip out one of our bags, open it up, they shove all the stuff in there, and then she leaves with that big bag, and then the second girl finishes whatever she's doing into her purse and then leaves right after her.
Okay. About how much did you think they took?
Probably like $1,000.
$1,000?
Wow. I want to talk to you about something. You match the description of a female that we're looking for right now. Why are you on the bus? What's going on?
Oh no, I just got with.
Okay.
You got match what?
You match the description of a female we're looking for. You mind if I get your ID?
I matched the description.
Did you go on Carter's at all?
Did we do what?
Did you go to Carter's?
I had bought something from there.
So you brought something from there? What did you get?
I got my receipt and everything.
Okay. All right. We'll just get your ID and then we'll confirm if it's you or not. All right. So she do got a Carter's bag, so she's brought stuff out of
I
there.
got my receipts and everything.
So just ask them. So what?
Oh, you got a Carter's bag?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to figure it out. Ma'am, can you just step up car for me, please?
You got under arrest. All right. You just detained right now. All right.
Well, I ain't doing nothing, so I know I ain't under
Put your phone over there.
Okay. All right.
For right now, you're just going to be detained, okay? So I have to place you in cuffs.
I'm being detained though.
You're not under arrest. Like we said, you match description of somebody that stole items from Carter's. Okay, you have a Carter's bag. And once they come over here, when they say it is or not you, then we'll talk to you further on that, right?
But it's still not all my stuff right there.
That's why I said, like, once they confirm it is or not you, if it's not you, then we'll let you go. If it is you, then we'll have a talk about that, right?
Okay. I'm just going to read you something too, okay? Because you are entitled to your rights. You're not under arrest. You're just detained, but I have to read you your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney. I have a power with you now anytime during the court. If you cannot afford an attorney, won't be appointed to represent you. If at any time you wish to stop talking, I have an attorney present. All questions will be stopped at the request. You understand your rights?
Yes.
With these rights of mine, you want to talk to me or any one of my partners that come on scene and ask you questions.
Okay.
Yes?
I want to talk to him with me at Carter's because I'm trying to figure out what I'm supposed to do.
Well, we're trying to figure out too. Apparently, we just got a call about two females matching the description you're wearing. My partner saw you go inside the vehicle, and that's pretty much it. Someone just stealing from Carter's. You have a Carter's
my stuff
bag.
right there.
Okay, but you have a Carter's bag, okay, and we have to make sure that everything's accounted for in that bag.
Okay.
Okay, but that's what we're here for. It's kind of a little suspicious that you're not even in the driver's seat. You're in the passenger seat. So where's the front?
Where's who?
Where's the driver?
My sister? Yeah, I'm waiting on her. She didn't want to be stolen. I don't know if
She going to H, you know? You want me to put your phone in your pocket so I don't get wet up? It's going to be a mess.
It's going to be at Ridgewood in Orange. There's no injuries.
How long is it going to take her to get over here? Who you waiting on?
The entertainer is roadblockers.
I'm waiting on my partner to see.
Basically, they're going to bring somebody over here, right? Say whether it is you or whether it's not you. Like I told you, if it's not you, then we let you go. If it is you, then we'll have a conversation, see what they want to do, right?
Okay. I would like to know what she see me too.
Positive ID. 44.
What did you say?
I want to know
Her
what
sister's
she's...
walking somewhere. She doesn't know where she's
She was out here with her baby daddy, that's what I'm saying. I don't know if she left with him. I'll have to call her.
Gotcha. Is this your car?
No.
Where's the car you came in?
This is the car I came in, but it's not my car.
Okay. Where's your
And
sister?
all my stuff right there that I got, all my stuff is right there with my receipt.
Gotcha.
So why is she saying
Where's
I
your
should get
sister
it?
at?
I don't know. She might have went with her baby daddy. She was out here with him.
You want to call her?
Y'all gonna take this out?
Yeah, you want to call her?
Yeah, I'll call her.
Okay.
I'm not taking off the cuffs.
You want me to call her with the cuffs on?
You just had your phone in your hand with the cuffs
You
on.
can text her.
I know, but it's uncomfortable.
You're just being detained for right now.
Probably text her and tell her not to come. So.
Okay. Well,
Did you leave with Bertha or you still here? She gone.
okay, perfect. We'll do a warrant for her, and then you're going to be taking a ride, too. You can hang up the phone now.
Taking a ride for what? I didn't steal
For
anything.
shoplifting.
I have my stuff right here. I didn't steal anything.
Hey, I got the stuff in here that you paid for.
Man, this is crazy. So he trying to take me to jail and I didn't take anything?
Well, they have you on camera.
I didn't take anything.
But it says otherwise. Still.
Where is it out on camera? Tell her to show me.
They looked at it already.
They're already
That's why they called us. They gave the description, they provided a description, your sister and stuff like that. I mean, you taking a ride, she's not. She said she ain't here. She just have a warrant out for arrest.
You're saying you paid for these?
Yes.
Is there a receipt in here for
Yes.
these? Okay.
You guys ready yet? Or
Yeah.
you want to talk?
Yeah, she talked. She said basically, she went in there to buy some stuff. She didn't steal nothing. All that stuff is on the receipt except what's in the bag. And that's about it.
I thought you said y'all was going to get her to identify me so I could show her that I didn't take anything.
We did. She identified you. When we put the flashlight on your face, she identified you.
Except this is a receipt from Sanford.
That's what I'm saying. All my stuff is paid for.
It's
When I went in there, I was exchanging.
That's from
She
Sanford.
held my stuff at the counter, looking for me.
Yeah.
She held my stuff at the counter. So what did I take? And you held my stuff at the counter. It's the same bag I had.
What car is y'all's?
That's the same. That's not my car.
Is this the car you guys came in?
No.
She's killing it.
That's because she got in when I got
It's her car.
got away.
So is there anything in the car?
No.
You got the keys for the car?
No.
Did we search the car?
No.
Well, it's not her car.
It's not mine, and I'm not giving no authority to touch nobody's car.
Well, it's not your car, so you can't get that authority anyway.
Yeah.
Authority in it.
Last year you got cut off.
Disregard, it was 48.
Copy.
Hanging out around the car.
Charlie 12.
Go ahead and take me.
So there was a nurse which had an indigo call.
I know I'm beat because I didn't steal nothing out of you.
Back women with
So.
the staff, it looks like it's going to be a medical issue, not
Come over
fingerprint.
and tow it, and do the inventory prior to towing.
Oh, do what you gotta do.
Oh, you wanted to
She
search it real
said
quick?
she sold me something. She lying. She didn't see me steal nothing. Let me see my phone.
No, it's okay.
No, hang it up because it's calling somebody. I didn't try to call nobody. You can hang it up. It's calling somebody. Could you hang it up? I don't
We'll
know
do
who's
that
on
in a
the
second.
phone. I don't know who's on my phone. Could you
We'll
hang it up?
We'll do it in a second.
Let's go over here
So
so we
you
can
got somebody
search.
sitting on my phone? I don't know who that is.
They got different items. She claimed that she had to do an exchange because she had twin baby boys that were a year old.
Yeah, but look at this. Card declined, canceled. Card declined, canceled. So they're using stolen credit cards. Look at all these different cards that are declined.
Perfect.
Canceled, canceled, canceled. Declined. Declined.
We'll see if it's on her property now. And
Decline.
on video, it's going to show her stuff and all the stuff in her.
This is a no sale. Every single transaction on here is declined. Yeah. I'll go in there real quick.
She's hard down lying. I did not take nothing out of it. And y'all can't even show me the camera to show me that I took anything out of it because I know I didn't take anything out of it. That's a lie. Y'all hard down for to take me to jail for something I did not do. I did not take anything
Turn to
out
face
of
me.
it.
Pay for it. Pay for it. Got anything else on you?
No.
Not in the back of the police car.
But I need to call somebody and let them know.
I told you already what we would do, okay?
Oh. That's our stuff too?
yours.
10 to the 3 Charlie 6
I dropped one.
Go ahead.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Yeah. Now we got long.
It's gonna have a felony hold on it.
Huh?
It's gonna have a felony hold on it
Why would it have a felony hold on it?
because I'm putting a felony hold on it.
Why are you putting a felony hold on it?
Because they're using this to commit a massive amount of retail theft and fraud.
Every time they use
We just recovered thousands of dollars worth of stuff out of it. Yeah.
So Monday comes that he's still not gonna be able to get his trunk.
Yeah, somebody from the police department will call him. He'll have to come in and he's going to have to sign some paperwork most likely that states that if his vehicle's involved in a crime any further, that we'll put it up for asset forfeiture and seize it, regardless of whether it has a lien on it or not.
You said if it was involved in any other crime,
And any other
he
future
just got
crime.
his truck today. It ain't.
So, it's been a day and it's already involved in crime. So, if you call the other, might as well tell her to turn herself in because we're going to...
What? I don't know who that is. I just know the person.
Somebody called you to come here because y'all from Orlando.
But Bina called me to come here. Who you just took the jail?
Yeah.
That's
Where's the
probably-
other girl that she's
I
with?
don't know who she was with. But Bina just called me from the jail. They let her use her phone. So I came here.
Gotcha. Well, regardless, the other girl was nice enough to leave her wallet and ID and everything.
How can we help you today? What kind of property?
My wallet and my phone.
Your wallet? What's your name? How much do you have an ID on you?
No, it's in there.
It's in your wallet. Okay.
What is it? I got one.
Yes. Thank you.
Well, that's fine. You say yeah?
Yes, we
Okay.
have an affidavit at the book for your arrest. That's why I was asking for your ID to try and
Okay,
verify
but
who you
so
are.
so you saying it's a book for my arrest?
An affidavit. It's kind of like a warrant, so we have charges on you. Okay.
Okay, but is it gonna like, when you take me to the jail? Is it gonna? When you take me to the jail, it's gonna show?
What do you mean? Show what?
Like you saying that I have a warrant, right? You said I have.
So it's an affidavit, which is basically a charging document that one of our officers has written up with charges for you. Basically, that's like the 707. We would take out the arrest paperwork, essentially, just without you. So basically, it's like a warrant, but it's not quite a warrant, if that makes sense. Like we have the arrest paperwork, we just didn't have you in custody.
How you doing?
Because the warrant is when the judge signs it.
Okay.
And just go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me.
Both women were charged with grand theft and petty theft after stealing $3,138 in merchandise from Carter's and $566 from Old Navy. The first woman entered a pre-trial diversion program, and the other woman received 18 months of probation.
Yeah. No, I got it in my pocket because I'm just gonna once I get out and drive.